It's been a long hot summer and I have not had time, nor has it been convenient with the hot weather here, to work on my automobile. So I am about ready to get started now with replacing my Rack and Pinion steering in my 69 Mach 1. I have that right here in the box, and we're going to take that out. I am going to put that in my 69 Mach 1. Let's set up things and get tools ready and get these cameras in place and begin the process. I think these are new bolts. And they have to go right there where those marks are right there. You can kind of tell how they have worn a little bit. Well, they go right in right there. And the other side, one kind of has a worn mark right there. It goes in right there. Okay, so I gotta find the other parts to that. If my grandson were here, I'd have him help me, but I may have to get my transmission jack and hold this thing up in place while I put the bolts in. We'll see if that works or not. All right, my transmission jack. I'm going to set that on top of there, lift that up, hold it in place while I bolt it in. Okay, now then. Okay, I think all I need to do is set this up. So
we have to get that into those holes. That looks like over too far, but maybe not. Get it in there. I'm not sure these bolts are going to go on those threads because those are new bolts. Those may be different threads. Yeah, those bolts are not fitting. They're not fitting those threads. Nope, those do not fit. Well, I'm stuck in the water. I guess I'm gonna have to take this thing in. See about getting a new bolt. I think I need a new radiator. Making some somewhere, and so probably that's why I'm low on water sometimes. They put different bolts with different threads. Well, I have to take these off and get some different ones.